Hi guys, welcome back. OnePlus 7 Pro smartphone. We are already excited about this smartphone. Earlier today, OnePlus has shared a teaser video mentioning its upcoming smartphone with a fast and smooth performance. Company is rumored to launch the OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro 5G on May 14. The recent CD render of this upcoming smartphone give us the unofficial first look. Now we got the new a few more interesting detail about the OnePlus 7 Pro smartphone. This year the company will be come up with all guns blazing to compete with other premium flagship smartphone. Until now the company compromised a few aspects to keep the price low. While the OnePlus 7 will continue with the affordable flagship device, the OnePlus 7 Pro will offer several first of its kind features ever seen on a OnePlus smartphone. The CAD render already confirmed the Galaxy 7 Pro to sport a AMOLED display with curved edges on either side. According to latest leak, the display on Pro variant will be offer a Quad HD Plus resolution and has a 90Hz refresh rate. As of now, the Asus ROG phones, the only smartphone come with a 19Hz display. However, the Razer phone 16:9 display offer a much better refresh rate of 120Hz. Even with a higher refresh content, there is not much content available to take advantages of this gaming experience. However, we hope it change with after OnePlus entered the scene. The device will come with a stereo speaker setup, while the OnePlus 6T come with a 3700 mAh battery. The OnePlus 7 Pro will come with a bigger battery, 4000 mAh battery, and the rapid charging 30 introduced with OnePlus 6T Macron edition will be offered as standard feature with OnePlus 7 Pro. Also, it comes with a USB 3.1 connectivity, which will result in fast data transfer speed. As seen in the earlier leak image, the OnePlus 7 Pro with a spotted triple camera setup on the rear. We will be looking at the telephoto and wide-angle sensor along the primary sensor. On the other hand, the OnePlus 7 is rumored to come with a dual camera setup, just like the OnePlus 6T. The upcoming 7 lineup also stick with 3D curved glass body. While the OnePlus 7 sport a water drop notch, OnePlus 7 Pro will offer a bezel-less smartphone with pop-up selfie camera, while the OnePlus 7 comes with 6.4-inch flat display with water drop notch and a 48 megapixel primary sensor. On the other hand, OnePlus 7 Pro comes with 6.64 curved display, pop-up front camera and triple camera setup with 48 megapixel primary sensor. Also, the device will come to run with Android 9.0 with Oxygen iOS 9.0 out of box. That's all guys. If you like this video, click the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this smartphone. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.